สบายดี Today I am making a beef nam เฮาสิพาเฮ็ดสมซีนกินมื้อนี้นะอันนี้แมนซีนซีนงัว This is ground beef I ground it myself and make sure it's extra lean beef The best lean beef you can get for this nam is ground them yourself buy a lean beef and then slide it up. They will have like a little bit of fat in there. Take it out. Don't take no fat in here because we're gonna eat it raw. So you don't want no fat, okay? This is 2.5 pounds of ground beef. Now my water is hot. The first step we have to do is ground our beef, and then we have to soften our pork skin. See, it's cooked, sliced pork skin. I'm using 2-pack today, okay? Because we only have 2.5 pounds. So now that the water is boiling, I'm gonna put them in the pot. You only need to cook this in here for about 2 to 3 minutes only. Because it's already cooked. But they come in frozen. So I took it out, I unfrozen it, and then I still have to cook it, make it nice and soft. After 2 minutes, I'm gonna take this out, rinse it with cold water, and then let it sit. That way there's no more juice, no more water on here. You have to let it dry a little bit. And I'm gonna trim them shorter because see how long they are? They are very long. It's gonna be hard for us to roll the nam. So, how see? ต้มมัน about 2 นาที แล้วเขาก็จะไปล้างน้ำเย็นออกล้างน้ำเย็นแล้วเขาสิปะไว้ให้มันเสด็จน้ำมันเสด็จน้ำแล้วเขาสิมาตัดเขาตัดให้มันสั้นเพื่อว่าเขาจะได้มาห่อง่าย I'm gonna try to go through with my finger here. Yeah, see how easy it go through. It cut. That means it's good now. Turn off the stove. Take it to the sink and pour it down. Cold water. Make sure it's nice and cold. If you don't rinse it with cold water, it's gonna be overcooked. It's gonna be too soft, and it won't come out good. There you go. I'm gonna let it sit here for 5 minutes before I actually go to the second step. Okay, I'll see you with the second video of making the beef nam. Okay.